Do you want to escape the constant monitoring and surveillance of Android? None of us would choose to be tracked 24/7, but that's exactly what our phones are doing. If you care about privacy and security, you need to check out GrapheneOS. This is my Pixel 6a running GrapheneOS, and in this video, I'll show you not only how you can install it, but also why it's so different from regular Android. What is GrapheneOS? GrapheneOS is a free and open-source operating system based on Android. It looks and feels just like normal Android, but under the hood, it's rebuilt for privacy and security. Unlike regular Android, GrapheneOS doesn't give Google special control over your device. It's de-Googled by default, meaning no hidden data collection. And if you need apps like Maps or banking, you can install Google Play, but it runs in a sandbox like any other app, without special privileges. These are 5 features that GrapheneOS provides, and honestly, no one else is offering them. First, it keeps shuffling your phone's memory, so hackers can't figure out where anything is. Second, it locks down apps, stopping them from secretly spying on each other. Third, it makes browsing inside apps safer by blocking those risky shortcuts hackers love. Fourth, it prevents apps from sneaking in hidden code after they're installed. And finally, it has a duress lock, a secret password you can use if you're ever forced to unlock your phone. On the outside, it looks normal, but in reality, it can hide or even wipe your data. Installation is actually pretty straightforward. Simply head over to the official GrapheneOS website in your browser and click on that Install GrapheneOS button. You'll notice we have 2 installation methods to choose from here. The first option is web-based installation, and the second is command line installation. We're going to go with the web-based approach today, but first, let's take a quick look at which devices actually support GrapheneOS. Here's the thing about device compatibility. All Google Pixel phones released after the Pixel 4 can run GrapheneOS. They're even planning to support the upcoming Pixel 10. I'm using a Pixel 6a for today's demonstration, but don't worry. The process is identical across all supported Pixel devices. Now you might be wondering, can I install GrapheneOS on my Samsung or iPhone? Unfortunately, the answer is no. GrapheneOS is exclusively designed for Pixel devices, because they come equipped with the Titan M security chip and receive guaranteed security updates, both absolutely crucial for maintaining real privacy and security. Alright, let's dive into the actual installation process. The beauty of this installation method is that it works regardless of your computer's operating system, whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux. However, there's one important step we need to tackle first: unlocking your device's bootloader. I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first step is enabling developer options on your device. Go to Settings, scroll down to About Phone, and tap the build number 7 times. You'll see a notification saying you are now a developer. This unlocks the developer menu we need. Next, go back to Settings, Open System, then Developer Options, and enable 2 important settings: OEM unlocking and USB debugging. These are essential for the unlocking process. Now let's set up the computer side. Windows users need to download Android platform tools and install ADB USB drivers. Install the ADB drivers first, then extract the platform tools to any folder you prefer. Open that folder, type CMD in the address bar to launch command prompt, and you'll be ready to run all the necessary ADB and fastboot commands. Mac users can install platform tools using Homebrew with a simple command. I'll include all the download links and commands in the description so you don't have to worry about writing anything down. I'm using Mac for this demonstration, but every command works identically in Windows command prompt as well. After installing the tools and drivers, connect your phone to your computer with a USB cable. Open Terminal or Command Prompt and type ADB devices to verify your phone is properly connected and recognized. Once your device appears in the list, reboot it into fastboot mode by typing ADB reboot bootloader. Your phone will boot into the bootloader screen. You can see bootloader status is locked. To unlock bootloader, here type fastboot flashing unlock. You'll see a confirmation screen on your phone asking if you want to unlock the bootloader. Use the volume keys to select Unlock the bootloader and press the power button to confirm. After unlocking, your phone will automatically reboot to the main screen. Important warning, this process will completely erase all data on your phone, so make sure you've backed up everything you need beforehand. After unlocking, reboot your phone. Once you've successfully unlocked the bootloader, navigate back to the GrapheneOS website and look for the Download Release button on the Install page. Clicking this will bring up a device selection window. To get your device recognized in this window, you'll need to boot it into fast boot mode again. Connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable, open up your terminal or command prompt, and type in the command adb reboot bootloader. After your phone restarts in fast boot mode, click that Download Release button again, and voila! Your device should now appear in the selection window. Go ahead and click on your phone model, then hit Connect. This will kick off the download process. Fair warning though, depending on your internet speed, this download could take a while, so maybe grab a coffee. When the download finishes, you'll see a flash release button appear. Click it to start the actual installation process. Here's the easy part. You literally don't need to do anything else. Just make sure your phone stays connected to your computer and be patient while the installation completes. After the installation wraps up, your phone will automatically start the bootloader locking process. Use your volume buttons to navigate and lock the bootloader back up, just like we unlocked it earlier. Finally, press that power button to boot up your newly secured device. And that's it. You've successfully installed GrapheneOS on your Pixel device. Congratulations! You've just taken a huge step towards protecting your digital privacy. GrapheneOS will give you all the functionality of Android while keeping your personal data secure from prying eyes. Now you can browse, message, and use apps with the peace of mind that comes from knowing your device is truly private. If this tutorial helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people discover content like this. And hey, if you're interested in more privacy-focused tech tutorials, consider subscribing to the channel. We're always covering the latest tools and techniques to help you take control of your digital life.